Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily install and perform multiple types of vulnerability scans with Nessus, a known vulnerability scanner tool. Knowing how to conduct scans on Nessus is a very useful skill and can give you an advantage over others for specific job roles. This tool is widely used by IT and cybersecurity professionals. It helps organizations identify and mitigate different types of vulnerabilities in devices, applications, operating systems, and more. It can detect software bugs, missing patches, open ports, malware, weak configurations, and much more. Now that you know how useful Nessus is, let's show you how to install it. First, you can check the description for the Nessus download link, or you can copy the URL at the top of the screen. Just so you guys know, there are paid versions with more features, but we will be using Nessus Essential, a free version perfect for beginners. Once you're at this page, you want to create an account in order to receive an activation code to install Nessus. I'll be back once I create an account. After entering your information, click the Download Nessus button and choose the correct version compatible with your system. Follow along for the next couple steps. Make sure to install Nessus in the desired location. Click Connect via SSL. The web page says it's not secure because it does not have a signed certificate. You can ignore the message for this one time and click Advanced, then proceed to localhost. Click Register for Nessus Essentials, then skip since we already have the activation code. Enter the activation code you received in your email. Now we can finally start performing some vulnerability scans. First, click Create a new scan. There are a variety of vulnerability scan types that exist. We will be conducting a basic network scan, which can scan a network with multiple hosts and perform a full system scan. Add a name for the scan since it is required, and add a description for the scan if you'd like. For the target section, you need to know the IP address of the host system, or the IP address range if you're trying to scan multiple hosts on a network. In this case, we will scan the host system. If you don't know the IP address, you can open the command prompt and type ipconfig. This command will display your IP address along with other information. After entering the IP address, you'll be brought to the My Scans page. From here, you can click the launch icon on the far right next to the date and time. I already started mine, which is why the schedule column says on demand. The scan time varies depending on what scan is running and how secure your system is. I'll check back in after this is done. As you can see, there are 4 sections at the top of the screen: Hosts, Vulnerabilities, Notes, and History. We will go over each column and what their purpose is. In the Host section, it tells us how many vulnerabilities were found and the severity of the vulnerability. On this host, there were 26 informational and 1 medium-level vulnerability. Click on the Vulnerability tab to view the full details of your report. Let's check out the medium-level vulnerability. Clicking on the specific vulnerability will bring up a brief description, solution, and extra articles that contain more detailed information on how to fix the issue. On the right-hand side, it ranks the severity of the risk and gives a score from 0 to 10. This is accomplished by using CVSS, a standardized framework for assessing security vulnerabilities. This framework attempts to categorize vulnerabilities by combining multiple factors like confidentiality, integrity, availability, privileges required, attack complexity, and many more. Let's look at the Notes and History section now. In Notes, it will give details about the scan. Not too much to see here for my scan. The History tab displays the time, date, and number of scans completed. Now that you know how to install and run a basic network scan, feel free to try out other types of scans to help increase your Nessus skills. Please remember to only scan networks that you are authorized to scan. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.